Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got something to share with you today from Cateared. They've sent me, let me get in it actually, it's got all postage labels on the other side, so let's cut round this way where I sort of ripped a little section of it to confirm who it was from. But this is one of their official kits that they asked if I would like one / be able to show you guys. So first up, we do get a macaroon of wax. We have a white tray, one of the nicer trays. I am also seeing a clear pen with a stopper. Now this, yes, I thought it was. If I remember rightly, which I have, it is one of their full crystal square diamond paintings. So it's this flower design. Let me try and pull back the clear cover. That's the actual image itself, but it's done in square rhinestones. It has 30 different colours. It's down as a 30 by 40, which is an actual size, an actual drill area size of 30 by 40. So it is true to size from Cateared. Gorgeous flower design. But look at this. It is in rhinestone crystals. And they all come with DMC numbers. So you get the DMC numbers for each of them. You also get an inventory sheet, which is great for when kitting it up. And it uses numbers and letters, which I like. There you go, you can see the image a bit better there. Crystal flower. It has the DMC numbers here and how many of each it is that you use down here. It has 939 is the darker colour. But look at these. Look at these gorgeous crystal colours. I mean, you can see a lot of the silver, which is the back. But there is some beautiful pinks mixed in there with that silver. Turquoise, yellow, purples, blues. That's your 939, which is your deep blue, which is that it's got like a bluey purpley tinge to the rhinestone. We've got some beautiful hot pinks. Oh, look at them all. That's 550, so that's a deep purple colour. We've got pale blue, purples, pinks, reds, greens. Just all the bright colours. That's like a champagne type colour. Oh, got a nice lime green rhinestone. And then some more purples and a deep red. Absolutely gorgeous colours. It'd be very interesting to see what this looks like as a full square rhinestone or crystal image. I'll be very interested to see what this turns out like. In fact, this might be one that I kit up a little, you know, by choice rather than just popping it into my stash and doing it according to my decision app. But the crystals are really clear. Canvas is nice. It's got this serrated edge with the holes around the side. You know, it just, I don't know, it just gives the canvas a nicer feel, a nicer finish to it. It is poured glue, which is extremely sticky, and it comes, got a little cat in the Cateared, cat-eared. Like it. So yeah, quite impressed with that. I'm really interested to see how that will turn out. I'm wondering if I end up with many more full DMC square rhinestones, whether I'm gonna need to think about sorting out another spare storage. But stay tuned, I'll probably get this one kitted up in July, because I do have my June waffle going on my second channel throughout this month of June. So it won't be until July I'll be able to kit it up, because that's where I do all my kitting up videos. But yeah, I think this one is going to move up the list a little bit, because I am very interested to see how it will turn out. But I'll pop a link down below in case it catches your eye and you fancy doing one yourself. But yeah, I've done quite a few, you know, that could be classed as full. I've done, I think, about 2 that are full rhinestones, but I've not done one that is as colourful as this one, and I've not done one with squares. So I really am quite interested to see how this will turn out. Make sure that I get this one kitted up soon. But yeah, thank you so much to Cateared for sending me this. Make sure you are subscribed to both my channels, especially if you do want to see this one getting kitted up, and in turn what it looks like when it's finished. But I'm loving the quality of it. I haven't actually had a Cateared canvas before. I've had their advent calendar last year for Christmas or for December, but I haven't actually worked on one of their canvases. So I'm quite happy. I'm very happy that the canvas and everything looks a nice quality, and it'll be really fun to see how it turns out. But yeah, I'll pop a link down below, of course, in case you guys want to check it out. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.